BN59-01266A BN59-01298D Please match the model number with your existing remote. Press the return and play keys for 3 seconds to pair with the TV. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly like the original. I misplaced the remote to the Samsung TV I got my husband for Christmas and was frantic for a replacement. I found this one easily and all I had to do upon receipt was put in the batteries and it worked immediately. Keeping a close eye on this one as I'd hate to pay another $60 if it went missing, but wouldn't hesitate for a second. Great replacement remote. This remote works just as well as the original remote, and it looks almost exactly like it too. For me, the only noticeable difference is that the original one had a sheen to its finish, and this one is more matte. It's a negligible difference, though, and I might even prefer the matte look. It paired with my TV right out of the box without any setup. The remote did not come with included batteries, so don't forget to pick up a couple of AAs. It came with a single page of basic instructions that explains how to pair the remote manually if you are having trouble. I have only used it for a few hours, so I can't say much about how well it does long-term. So far, I can say that it has all the same features as the original and that it works. At around $48, including tax, this was a little on the expensive side, but I am satisfied with my purchase.